divas, it's time to glitter up your day with Simonalisa.
Naturally, as usual, by the time I start filming, my cart is pretty much full. I found this red Billabong tank top, and then I kept looking through the shirts. It was a pretty good thrift day so far. I feel like I've been getting lucky recently. Definitely, though, as time goes by, there is more and more sheen in the thrift stores, which is sad to see. Then I found this Delia's pink tank top, and then I found this pink lingerie looking top. And then I looked through the shoes, I looked through the magazines. They had some fun fashion ones. I was flipping through them a little bit, but I didn't pick any of those up today. And then I looked through everything in my cart so far, so I'm just showing you guys some of the pieces I found. My system is I look through whatever aisles I want to look through, and then I find a little corner, and then I just lay everything out. I look at what I want, and then whatever I want, I take it off the hangers, and I just fold it in my cart. It was a good summer haul. I felt like I found a lot of cute dresses, light flowy tops, a lot of sequins, a lot of pops of colors, and that's what I've been keeping an eye out for when I've been thrifting recently. So make sure when you go thrifting, you're intentional about what you want. I feel like you can get better luck that way. And then I guess I'm back in the shoe section. I've been really craving more shoes recently. It's just vintage shoes fall apart way too quickly, so I feel like I can't pick as many up. Also, I feel like it's harder for me to find a lot of cute pairs that fit me. I feel like that's how it is for everyone for the shoe section. You're gonna look at the shoes that don't fit you, and you're gonna wish they did, and it's just how it goes. Now we're looking through the cardigans. This was my last stop. I found that pretty colorful one I'm gonna upcycle. We just got back. I'm listening to my music right now. I'm tired. Holy crap. That was a good haul, to be honest. I wasn't expecting it to be good, but it was good. So if you guys know the drill, you know the drill. If not, I'm about to eat some food, rejuvenate a little bit, regain my energy, and then I'll give you guys a haul. It's been a while. So since last time I saw you guys, I ate my meal. Oh god. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the TV in the background. My mic's dead, so I can't use that. But yeah, I ate my meal. I did my laundry. I took a nap. I think that sums up about what I did. But I'm exhausted. The thing is, I do want to go back to sleep. But this setup, you guys don't even understand. When I say I don't have storage, I don't have storage. I literally have to use my sister's phone to film. Now I have access to the phone. I don't know when I will again. So I'm we're just gonna stay up. We're gonna film. So I seem so freaking tired. That's why. Let's begin. First, this top, which I'm actually giving to my sister, if it fits her, because red's her favorite color, and this is what she it's what she's looking for pretty much. She told me she wants cute camis with lace, and I'm like, girl, why didn't you tell me this? I'm always thrifting and they got that. Okay, wait, these are inside out still. We got these pants. They're pretty cool. I think I want to turn them into a skirt. I found so many beaded sequined pieces today. I cannot believe it. I feel like half this haul is full of beaded embroidery, but I'm obsessed. It's what I've been wanting to thrift. I went into the thrift store for my last haul with the mindset that's what I want to find, and I found a lot of pieces, but this time it's I found even more pieces like that. So I don't know if you guys can see the whole top. It's pretty cool. I like the silhouette. This is one of the pieces I got to upcycle. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy with this. I might just put some prints on it. And that's the back. It's got this tying situation. Then I found this piece from the Limited 2 brand in the kids section. This piece is this leopard print, but it's kind of see-through. So it's good for layering, I guess. The next two shirts are identical. Sorry, but they're both sequined. See what I mean? So many sequins and beads. We have this one, and we also have this one. We got another beaded piece. This top, I think it's fun for summer. It's got a fun little print going on. And there's some rhinestones on there too. More sequins. I feel like this would be a fun top to go out in. Like you wear a hot pink bra and this on top. Mini skirt, little shorts, bunch of bangles, chunky necklaces. That'd be so cute. This Billabong tank top. It's nothing crazy. Oh my god, this piece is so pretty, but I don't know if it's gonna fit me. Then we have this fringe top. The Coachella people this year would have gone crazy for this. I'm gonna say this right here between me and you guys. The outfits for Coachella this year, I just feel like everything kind of looked the same. And everything looked like everyone was like sponsored and whatever by the same brands. And they wore the same stuff. And I feel like I didn't see a lot of thrifting and DIY and personal identity through these outfits. And fun layering, I kind of just saw like, you know, that's just my opinion though. Anyways, this piece, it's like either a long shirt or like a really tiny dress. I would wear it as a dress, personally. But also like dress over pants. So either or. But yeah, I like this whole print going on and the little like layers. And then more beads. This top is actually very simple in the front. It's got that like cowl neck. Is that what you call that? A cowl neck? And then the back is drama. So now, you wear this. You put your hair up in a ponytail, but like a fun ponytail where you've got like the short pieces in the front. High ponytail, make it messy, tease it, and then some heels. And then it's just, okay, it's pretty long. We could put some denim shorts and like strappy sandals. Oh my god. Oh, and wear the biggest sunglasses in your collection. That would be so cute. Then we have this little skirt. I want to upcycle this, either making it just like mini like cut hem or pleated where I cut it and I use these pieces to make pleats. Let me know what you guys think I should do with this. Just a mini skirt or pleats. Because the thing is I have a pleated plaid skirt. Like it's like basically the exact same pattern, but it's not this kind of fabric. So I'm like, maybe I should just do it like that. But then I feel like it just needs pleats. So I don't know. I'll think about it. But I want you guys to let me know what you think I should do with that. And then we have this little tank top. I don't really know how this is going to look on. But it's got this tying situation. And that is what sold me. Oops. I mean, also it's Casablanca. And I like their pieces. And then we have this Delia's tank top. So it looks a little crazy right here. I don't know if I think I did film a clip of this in thrift store, but like the previous owner had it like tied in this little knot. And so even washing it, I mean, it looks like that. It's probably been in that knot forever. To be honest, they probably knew what they were doing with that little bun. Like I feel like that actually probably was cuter than if you were to just wear it like this. Who knows? I mean, we'll see. You guys, this color is everything to me. Okay, I was trying to be Kellen Quinn for a second, but we can't be Kellen Quinn. Only Kellen Quinn can be Kellen Quinn. So this beautiful green, let's talk about it. Do you see that? Like, oh my god, imagine you're wearing this and you're walking on the streets. Like, drama. Like, the attention is gonna be on you. This is just like the color, the sheen, not the sheen, the sheen. This is not sheen, but I don't know why I'm assuming people are gonna think that's what I meant. It's lasenza, but it's just got a beautiful shine to it. And then back to back, we got like the same fabric feel. So, guys, oh, also it's like lasenza too, except the other top, that one was older lasenza. But yeah, a little robe, a little satin robe. This is beautiful. I love the tinsel. I love like holding it up, you can tell what vibe it's got going on, like with the silhouette. And I love this. I love the slouchy arms, and then it cinches a little bit there. You can wear it like off the shoulder probably. This really, like, to me feels like pop star, like 2000s pop star. Now we got this little dress. Then we have this shirt. Like, fun for summer. This feels so like the beautiful mom, like a Slavic beautiful mom. Like, she's got her tan on, she's got her bleached hair, and she's chewing her gum, smacking her lips. She's got concealer lips and big sunnies, and she's wearing this. I just like thought of so many different archetypes for these different clothing pieces. I don't know why my brain is visually creating all these things right now. I couldn't feel any less tired right now, so I don't know how that's happening. Again, we got sequins. The theme of this haul was like sparkle sequin rhinestone beads. This is one of the upcycling pieces I got. So there's some beads on here. The print is just so beautiful. The colors are gorgeous. Like this entire piece, just looking at it, is so satisfying. Now, the actual silhouette of it, like this cardigan, I don't think I would wear it in this form. So I want to make, hopefully, I feel like I could stretch out making a set. So top and a skirt plus one more top. And then I still might have some scrap fabrics for like little projects. We'll see what I can do there. This feels vampiric. I feel like this is a vampire in the office. And then we have this Hollister flannel. And then we have this dress, which we need to try it on to understand what's going on here. But I believe it's supposed to be like cowl neck situation. You know what? I'm excited though. Like this is beautiful. And it's shimmery. Another PlayStation 2 controller. It's like the same one I have. Now I have another one of these. I got season 1 and season 3 of Sex and the City, but I don't know where I put those. So it's fine. Oh, the shoes. Oh my god, the shoes. I found so many cute shoes. Now, unfortunately, they don't all fit me. Literally, like half of them. Half of them fit me. I maybe picked up like 5 or more. I don't know. I didn't realize how many shoes I picked up, and then I'm checking out. I'm like, oh my god, do I put some back? And then I didn't put any back. And again, I didn't try the shoes on. Whatever. So here we are. So these fit me. These beautiful little flats. This was the real tragedy. These didn't fit me. They were a little big, and I'm so sad because they're beautiful. They're like flats, you know, a little wedged up right there, a little platformed. And they're like this velvety, burgundy, maroony, whatever color you would call this. So I'm like, at this point, like, do I find some kind of inserts I could put in shoes if they're a little big? Because like I feel like maybe I should just do that for these beautiful beaded sandals. They're so beautiful. They're like a little heeled right there. And then finally these flip-flops, which I actually didn't check if they fit me because they're flip-flops. I'm just gonna wear them, I don't care. These little floral wedges. Beautiful. I don't think I'm gonna turn to the side because the shirt is so open here. I feel like you guys would just see everything. But low-key, it's pretty cute. Like, this would have been cute for Coachella, I can't even lie. And it'd be so breathable and perfect for the weather. Maybe next year. I need a brand to invite me next year, please. That is my goal. I keep telling myself next year I'll go to Coachella. Next year I'm gonna get invited by a brand. I need to grow my accounts way more though. I was low-key not online that much for a good while with school and everything, but this is the year, guys. I'll be posting consistently and I'll be going to Coachella. I think I'm done with the try-ons. I don't feel like trying the rest on. So I think that concludes the video. Thanks for watching, angels, and make sure to leave some glitter everywhere you go. Mwah.